Downsizing can be a difficult move to make, but finding the right place for you is a great first step. Justin Bauer and Andy Fagervik from Epcon Communities and Clarity Construction are here to share more about your floor plans and more. You have great floor plans, Andy. Tell us how you created all of these. Not just you, I guess, but the whole team.
Yeah, so really we're fortunate and blessed to build at the Epcon product here in Des Moines. And they've been doing these since the mid-'80s, so going on 35, 40 years now of a lot of research and design and development that have gone into these plans. And we offer 8 of the Epcon floor plans, 6 of which we've been offering since we started back in 2016, kind of the tried, true, and tested ones. But we have brought on a couple new ones over the last couple of years that are working quite well too. So really, you know, there's something for just about everybody between the range of square footage and overall style of the home themselves.
And we're seeing a few, or we were just seeing a few on the screen, and it's great too because a lot of them, it seems to provide that great openness, but also you have those rooms so you can have your own space and things like that.
I mean, they're all designed regardless of size or style. They're all designed for you to age in place. 0 entry at the front door, at the garage door, courtyard patios. But the flow of the home, the general flow of the home is designed for you to live a more convenient and comfortable lifestyle, daily routine.
And we're seeing some video now of one of the homes, and it is just so beautiful and looks, you know, beautiful to move in and downsize and get that right space for you.
Absolutely. Yeah, it's all about downsizing for some folks, maybe right sizing for other folks, but really at the end of the day, just getting them into something that they can enjoy, but once again, age in place and stay there for the long haul.
You also have private courtyards. Tell us about those.
Yeah, so the homes are designed with the courtyards in mind. I mean, if you look at any of the names of our current communities, they'll all start with the courtyards at, because the outdoor living space is super important and a huge part of these homes. There are 2 types of homes. We offer a rear patio home that is designed to back up to something visually appealing, such as our sanctuary spaces, our ponds, our walking trails, or wooded areas. But then there's also private courtyards. These are designed for ultimate privacy out there. So whether you're looking for more of a private space or a beautiful view, once again, there's options in both categories.
And allowing you to have an active lifestyle, but also low maintenance.
Yeah. I mean, that's the big part of it too, is low maintenance living. You don't have to worry about setting time aside to mow the yard or get up to shovel the driveway. More time for you to do whatever you'd like to do. Spend time with family or your hobbies.
Justin, we talked about downsizing and right sizing, and we've chatted about that before. What do you say to people who maybe are worried about downsizing or, you know, going through all of their life?
You know, I think it's one of those things, there's a lot of things in your life that you're fearful of, right? It starts as a little kid. Take a Band-Aid, for instance. You just got to rip it off, right? And even our people in this age demographic, they're afraid to make that move. Maybe they've been in their home for 20, 30, 40 years. And I'm here to tell you today, rip off the Band-Aid. We have so many people. Andy has testimonial after testimonial, someone who's come up to him and said, we should have done this years ago. Mm-hmm. We have people that have thought about this, and it took them, you know, maybe a year, 2 years to finally rip that Band-Aid off and do it. And after they're here, they all say, we should have done this years ago. But there are some of those tasks of, you know, decluttering your home, getting your home ready to list. And we actually have an event coming up for people, a company that does this and helps people out.
Yeah, that's coming up this Sunday from 11 to 2 at the Courtyards at Windsor in Johnston. And yeah, you have a company that'll really help people not only pack up their items, but decide what you should keep and what you should maybe let go.
Correct. They're professionals at this, and they come into your home, kind of analyze your situation, help you get rid of the things that you don't need anymore. And again, that can be daunting for some people, but this company's here to help them through that and make it easy for them.
And that's Senior Transitioning Solutions of Iowa, which is new to me, so that's great to hear that they can help with that.
Yeah, absolutely. We're here to try to make this as painless as possible.
Okay, again, that's coming up this Sunday at Courtyards at Windsor.
Yep.
And people can just stop in from 11 to 2 and learn more.
We invite them all out.
Thanks so much for being here and sharing all of this with us. And you can learn more and view available floor plans. Just go to clarityconstruction.com or call 515-599-5933. They have 3 locations in Ankeny, Johnston, and Waukee, and you can see more on social media.